Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Thanks for coming to check out my latest video. We're just gonna jump right into this quick clean and organize. I hope you guys enjoy.
I spend too much time just getting ready. Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me.
It feels so good to be back and working on my channel. I know I've been gone for a while. I've had a lot of family things going on that needed my time and attention, and I felt like I just couldn't catch a break to really do anything else in life but take care of it. So hopefully now in the new year we'll get some break time and some rest, and I'll be able to focus more on doing this. If there's anything you guys would like to see or not see, please let me know below in the comments, because I want to make sure I'm making content that you all want to see and not just things that I want to do. So again, let me know.
What's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody?
So I've had a little helper through the entire video. He's helped me in every room, even if you guys don't see him. So I feel like the kitchen is my never-ending place. I get so tired of it. So I try to shake it up and make it different by either listening to different music, watching my favorite people on YouTube, watching HGTV, which is usually what I'm doing during these videos. And then I try to just get kiddos involved or whatever it is, just to make it a little different for myself so it's not so mundane every day. What are things that you guys like to do to get the motivation to get your room that you're not looking forward to done?
I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you.
So I'm on a kiddo-free day. We are back to school this week, and although I miss them and I miss the freedom and break that Christmas brought, I'm happy to have the 2 to 3 days back to myself, stress-free, not worrying about what the kids are doing and how I shouldn't be doing this because now they're playing games. All that mom pressure. So it's really great to have this time back, not have to stay up late at night when everyone's asleep so I don't feel that guilt and pressure. How are schools in your areas? Are you guys back, or are you having additional breaks from all the closures?
There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you.
How do you guys clean your stainless sinks? I clean mine with the liquid Barkeeper's Friend, and I really like it. It does a great job. They're super shiny after, but I find that no matter what I use, if I wipe it with a paper towel, I get this weird like gray tinge off, and I don't know if I'm doing it by the cleaner or if that's just a stainless sink kind of thing. Is that something that you guys encounter when you clean your sinks?
Bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? need you now. I've lost you. I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
So now that the dishes are done, which feels like it takes the majority of my day, and I am done snooping through HGTV, I'm going to move on to getting all the clutter cleaned up, and then we're going to move on to getting this pantry organized because it is driving me crazy. I cannot stand a cluttered pantry, especially when you know you have to go grocery shopping and get other things in there and there's no space, and I end up just shoving it wherever I can find space, which makes it even worse. And the boys dig through it, and it just becomes like unbearable.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and
After going through all this just so it could be destroyed like 2 days later, I ended up going to Target and buying a ton of organizers. They rebranded I think it was just like the typical Target brand, and they redid it to, I think it's Bright Room. And I think they've come out with some new sizes and slightly different designs. It's more than I remember them having. But I bought a ton of that, so I'm going to be doing that hopefully this weekend, and we'll get a video out on it. I'm so excited.
between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Since the boys have become a lot more independent lately, and now they're sneaking into the pantry at all times of the day to get snacks because they're always starving, I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for them to grab what they want and to see it so they don't dig through, they don't destroy it and make a mess. And also so we can pack lunches a lot easier, because I hate that stress of trying to get the lunches packed and them not knowing what they want or me not knowing what to put in. So I'm trying to keep this shelf here organized just where they can reach it and grab what they want, and try to keep it clean and easy. So who else reorganizes everything like a million times while you're in the process? I can never decide exactly where I want something until I've visually seen it. And if I know it works, then I leave it. If not, then I just keep moving it around.
And I'm dying to tell you, well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out.
So now that we're done with the kitchen, it's clean and organized, I'm going to move on to the guest bathroom. I did end up deep cleaning this, and although it didn't take a lot of time, I did have to take a lot of breaks in between because of the boys and Jagger. So it seemed like it took a lot longer, but really it probably took me about a half hour.
Coming
tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights.
I am trying to take better care of my hands, and since I'm deep cleaning and use a lot of chemicals, I thought I'd break the gloves out. It's really hard for me to use them because I don't like how my hands get hot and sweaty, or I have to keep taking them off every time the boys need something or Jagger needs something. And I also feel like I just can't feel things as well and tell if they're as clean, as odd as that sounds. How are you guys with gloves? Do they drive you crazy, or are you just used to being part of your routine?
Coming to get you.
So doing the cabinets always bring a lot of lower back shots. I'm sorry for anyone that finds it offensive. I've gotten comments in the past about people thinking I was showing my booty, and I promise I'm not. It's just my lower back. I have a big lower back, I guess. I don't know. But I figured it's just a lower back. I'm not going to try to cut all of it out. I would end up cutting out all of the lower cleaning if I did that. So again, sorry if it bothers you. Maybe I can put like a little star or something to hide it. I'm hoping that very soon in a video you guys will start seeing these doors change colors. They have supposed to have been Sherwin-Williams smoky blue since the day we moved in, but we had a lot of setbacks, so we took that off the list for our contractor, and I'm going to be doing it myself, which is why they're not done yet. But hopefully very soon. It's driving me crazy. I already have the paint and I'm just dying to get going on them.
But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
I think I've been using this Clorox toilet system for over a year now, and I've mentioned it in past videos. I still absolutely love it and highly recommend it. It's so much nicer than having that nasty toilet brush sitting in your bathroom. Between that and plungers, ugh, it just grosses me out. But I absolutely love the system. You just pop it in the trash when you're done, Clorox wipe off the handle, and all the mess and grossness is gone.
Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born.
And my oh so cute helper is back. He definitely makes it a lot more entertaining and also a lot more difficult. But again, he's oh so cute, so it's okay. But I was excited to get this tub cleaned out. I actually hadn't gotten it cleaned out even though we moved in a very long time ago, but we don't use it. We literally just use the toilet and sink in here. So I wanted to get it all cleaned up so I could start hanging the shower curtain and getting some of the decor in here.
I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
I got this shower curtain at Target. I actually got all the decor so far in the bathroom at Target. Towels, trash can, countertop decorations included. Anyways, I'm really loving it. I think they've had a great selection lately, so I haven't really gone looking elsewhere. It's just nice to get everything in one stop. I absolutely love Target. I spend most of my days there, so.
You can.
Thanks so much, guys, for coming and spending your time with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did and you're new, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
You don't have to hide it, baby, let your hair